In this video, I'll guide you through how to voice chat in Claude AI. If you've been typing all your messages and you'd like a faster, more natural way to interact, using voice is a great option. I'll walk you through exactly what to tap, what to expect on screen, and share a few tips so you get the best experience from your voice conversations with Claude. To get started, make sure you have Claude open on your device. You can do this in your browser or the Claude app, depending on what you're using. Once you're in, you'll be looking at the familiar chat interface with the message bar along the bottom of the screen where you normally type. Now focus your attention on the bottom right corner of that chat bar. You're looking for a small sound wave icon. It looks like a set of wavy lines, and you may see it represented as a symbol similar to 3 stacked lines. This is the button that activates voice mode. Go ahead and tap that sound wave icon. As soon as you do, Claude will switch from text input to voice input. On most devices, you'll see some kind of visual feedback, like a pulsing waveform, a recording indicator, or a small overlay that lets you know your microphone is now active and listening. If this is your first time using voice chat with Claude on this device, you may see a system prompt asking for permission to use your microphone. This is completely normal. To continue, allow microphone access so Claude can hear you. If you accidentally deny access, you can always go into your browser or device settings later to re-enable the microphone for Claude. Once your microphone is active, you can start speaking naturally, just like you would in a conversation. You don't need to use special commands. You can ask questions, request explanations, or describe what you're working on. Try to speak clearly and at a steady pace. Short pauses are fine. Claude will typically wait a moment to see if you're done speaking before responding. When you've finished saying what you want, look for the control to stop recording. Depending on your device, this might be a stop button, an X, or simply releasing a hold to talk button if that's how your setup works. After you stop speaking, Claude will process your voice input and respond in the chat, usually in text form, and in some cases with spoken audio if that feature is enabled for you. If the transcription of your voice isn't exactly what you intended, you can always correct it by typing a quick follow-up message or trying the voice input again. Background noise can sometimes affect accuracy, so for best results, use voice chat in a reasonably quiet environment and hold your device at a comfortable distance from your mouth. You can switch back to typing at any time by tapping into the text box again, and then return to voice by tapping the sound wave icon whenever you like. Think of that icon as your on-ramp to hands-free conversational use of Claude. So, to recap in simple terms, open Claude, look at the bottom right of the chat bar, tap the sound wave icon, grant microphone access if asked, speak your message, then stop recording and wait for Claude's response. With that one small tap, you unlock a much more natural spoken way to interact with AI.